All right, we're going to have a fireside chat today, and we're going to talk about the bad weather they're having in the Midwest. Hi, I'm Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. I've had a lot of questions about what do you do when everything starts to freeze up.
Hi, my dad Jim has been a plumber for 48 years. He's a master plumber in Michigan and a C36 licensed plumbing contractor in California. He has saved my wife and I thousands of dollars. But you just gotta watch out. He gets a little bit grumpy when he's giving advice, so don't piss him off.
Well, the first thing you gotta do is turn the water off to your house. Next thing you do is open up all the faucets, the hot and the cold faucets. And hopefully they will drain to the lowest point. So if you have a basement and a sink in the basement, all that hot and cold water is going to go down to the basement. And the basement usually is the warmest spot during the cold weather because it's at below ground temperature. But if you don't, you just want to get the lowest point in. You might have to go outdoors to an outside faucet. You might have a kitchen, some valves underneath the sink or something that you can open up that have drains on them. You can do that, but you want to drain it down. Then you want to make sure your electric water heaters are turned off. Actually, that might be the second thing after you turn all the water off. Then if the gas water heater, if you still have natural gas, you can probably leave that on, leave it alone, because that can operate without power. But not, you still want to drain that down. But that'll drain it down, that'll take the water out, so if it freezes, it doesn't create the pressure to burst the pipe because the water has room to move. Hopefully you can get it all out, but yes, just open up all the faucets. Then when you get water or heat back on again, you make sure you got water coming out of all the cold water faucets, then you turn them off. Then you make sure on the hot water side, you want the heater to fill up and get water coming out of the hot side. It's going to be cold water, but coming out of the hot side of the faucet. And then you turn it off and then turn the heater back on again. Hopefully that'll save you from having any broken pipes. Good luck, and I hope you're not out there in that miserable weather. Thank you. If that doesn't work, I don't know, ask the snowman. He's out in that cold weather.